YouTube. My channel is Jeunie B here, and I'm back with another synthetic wig review. Today I am doing a collab video with my YouTube sweetheart Lee. Her channel is Love Your Crownz. I discovered Lee when I came back to YouTube. I really enjoy her reviews. She does a lot of reviews on the latest units that come out. When I first came back to YouTube, I think the first unit I reviewed was Jeunie, and I enjoy watching other YouTube wig reviewers, and so her video was one of the first videos to come up on my feed, and I really enjoyed it, so I subscribed. I hope you guys do the same. She's super duper detailed in her reviews. She's beautiful. She's so sweet. I adore her so much. I'm so glad that she and I crossed paths. I'll leave the link to her review in the description box below. And so when we came together, she came up with the idea to do a review on a Pixie Unit. How cool is that? She actually said she went on my channel and saw that, you know, I have only done one review for a Pixie Unit. Out of all the wigs I have reviewed, I've only done one Pixie Unit. That's amazing. Baby girl thinks it's amazing as well. Yeah, she's here. She's being so good right now. She's letting me get through this wig review, and she's not saying much. We'll see how long that lasts. I guess I'm subconsciously biased against Pixie Units because I've only done one. I decided. Hey girl. Hey girl. Okay. Hey. I know. I'm just rocking her right now. She's on the floor in a little lounger. It's like a little rocker, and so I can use my leg to kind of rock her to sleep. Yeah. I think she's teething too, you guys. So she's super duper. Y'all know how it is. And she's teething early. Like, she'll be 4 months next week. So, I think she's teething. I'm like 99% sure she's teething. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get through the part that I need to get through. So, yes, I'm part of this group on Facebook called Wig Slayers, and this young lady had posted a picture of her in a Pixie Unit. It was a unit from Amazon. It was very beautiful. So I went on Amazon, looked at that particular Pixie, decided I didn't want to go that route, and just started looking at Pixies. So I just started looking at Pixie wigs on Amazon and came across this one. It actually has a lot of reviews on. I think it has 208 reviews with 4 stars, and a lot of women had posted themselves in the unit online. It's $19.78 on Amazon.com, and it's called Rusina. It's a very pretty wig. If you go through the reviews, women have posted themselves wearing the wig, and they look very nice in it. It's a full cap wig. I'll read some of the details about the wig straight from online. It has adjustable straps. When you open up the product, you can see the curls The curls are very nice. Online, they do in the description tell you not to use styling tools like curling irons or flat irons on your wig. So I am assuming that this wig is you can't put any heat to it whatsoever. So yeah, and it is a synthetic wig. This is synthetic. But it is really a really nice wig. Really, you don't have to do much but brush it out, maybe with a paddle brush, and finger style it to your desires. The only thing that really was a con for me, you guys, was like right here, the hair around the ear just wouldn't act right. And I don't know if that's because maybe the unit is too big for me. That could be an issue. Maybe the unit is a little bit, but it doesn't feel too big. It is kind of bunching up a little bit in the back, but that could be because I have it on the tightest setting. I'm not experienced any shedding. And of course, tangling with a unit like this isn't a major concern because the hair is just so short to the scalp. All in all, I think this is a very nice unit, especially for $19.78. I mean, this is a plop on your head and go out the door. And it's a unit that you can still look very trendy and classy and sexy without investing a lot of effort into styling your wig. So I did go back and read some of the reviews that some of the folks posted on this unit, and one of the complaints is that the wig is pretty big, and that's why I'm guessing my ear tabs, it's like this side won't do right. But I mean, you can camouflage it by pulling some hair kind of, you know, in front. It's not a deal breaker. I mean, for $19, it really is a steal. But all in all, I really like this unit. I think this is a perfect way to kind of close out summer with a cute little pixie unit, a little bit of effort. And like I said, it's so easy to manage. I mean, you're literally just finger styling, using your paddle brush, and you're out the door. And like I said, the curls are super duper, they're super duper cute. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping this up because baby girl is giving me, you know, she has me on the clock. So I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping up. Make sure you guys go head on over to Lee's channel to watch her review. I happen to know that the wig that she's reviewing is super duper cute. Okay guys, until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.